Previously on The Bartender.
No!
Hello? Trust me, I'm not hostile.
Who may I talk to now? Watson? Or Jeffrey Barnett, the stinger?
This thing will come out, not true.
Yo, brother, answer the question, man.
Whisper. Who may I talk to?
You're talking to Watson.
What happened?
Last thing remember I was answering the phone.
So how we know for sure say in a program?
Well, I want to make sure of that.
Paul, explain to me what happened on the phone. Because we don't hear nothing.
Yo. Yeah.
But good, bro. I'm not hostile.
Me prefer stay right this and talk.
Alright.
Well, listen.
First thing I'm gonna do for me when all of this finish, move me out of the environment here. It'll get to me.
Why? Now you say you're always in a dark room.
That are the problem. Always in one dark room. I hear so. All of my demons come to life. I spend 12 hours for 30 days in a room like this. And all I'm hearing is explosions and the sounds of weapons firing. After every 4 hours, for roughly 10 minutes, 2 men come and beat me. The orders were, soldier, anytime you hear the sound of weapons firing and explosion, you're at war.
So that them use for trigger your trauma.
I've been to war 3 times, 2 months at a time, and all I could hear explosions and weapons firing. Now tell me, wouldn't that trigger you?
So when you get program, as you call it, what take you out of the programming?
That's a good question. But me no know.
What you mean you don't know? So you don't know when them deprogram you?
All me know is my wake up, forgetting everything that happened before I answer a call. All me know is I live a life where I feel so tense anytime I hear a phone ring.
So after a phone call, you ever come to your senses with anything around you will look out of place?
Kimberly Lawrence, a girl I was in love with. I woke up and saw her permanently unresponsive next to me.
Who do that?
Well, all I can say is when I woke up, my weapon was next to her.